Hi, today I would like to show you how to wear yukata. In a traditional way, we tuck around the waist to adjust the length and tie it with a sash. This tucked part is called ohashori. Our yukata is designed for casual use, so you can just choose the length that suits your height and wear it without ohashori, but if it's too long or if you want to try the traditional way, please follow the steps that I will show. Now let's get started. I'm 154 centimeters tall, it's about 5 feet. If I wear medium size yukata, it's too long as you can see, so I'm going to shorten the length. Firstly, hold the sleeve in each hand and stretch your arms straight to make sure the center is straight down on your back. Secondly, hold the collars and pull them up until the bottom reaches your ankles. And cover the left side over your body and decide the fit. And unwrap the left side and do the same with the right side. After that, cover the left side over the right side. And tie a sash to hold it and fix the ohashori. And finally, put your hands inside from the side openings called miyatsugutsu and tie it up. It's done. Once you are done with tucking, you can wrap a thicker obi over the sash, like this. It will look even more beautiful. We also have knee-length yukata. You can wear it as it is, like this. It doesn't need to make ohashori, so it's very easy. Please choose your favorite according to your needs. Thank you for watching.